In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera and audio settings in Zoom. Before we start, make sure the Zoom desktop app is open and you're on the main dashboard. To access the controls you need, look toward the bottom left of the window and click the small gear icon. That opens the settings panel, which is the place where you manage how Zoom sees and uses your camera and your audio devices. Inside Settings, go to the Video and Effects tab. This is your visual control center. You'll see a live preview of your camera feed, which makes it easy to confirm what your camera is showing before you join a meeting. This is especially helpful if you're switching between a built-in webcam and an external camera. If more than one camera is connected, use the camera drop-down to choose the one you prefer. Pick the device you plan to use most often, so Zoom remembers it next time. If the picture looks off, consider simple fixes like adjusting your lighting or moving slightly so your face is centered and well lit. You'll also notice options related to video appearance and background effects. These can help you look more polished, but keep in mind, they may use extra processing power on older computers. Here, you can select the device. Choose the camera you want to use from the available list. If your camera doesn't show up, double-check that it's connected and that no other app is actively using it in the background. On some systems, you may need to grant camera permission in your computer's privacy settings before it appears here. While you're in the same settings window, you'll also find your audio devices listed. Depending on your Zoom version, the microphone and speaker selections may appear alongside video controls or in their own section within Settings. Pick the microphone you want people to hear you on, and choose the speaker or headset you want to listen through. If you plug in a new headset later, return to this area to select it so Zoom uses the correct device. If others say they can't hear you, it usually means the wrong mic is selected or the input volume is too low. Once you've selected the devices you want, you can close the settings window. Zoom will remember your choices for future meetings. That's all there is to it. Open Settings with the gear icon, go to Video and Effects, and select the device you want to use. With those quick adjustments, you'll join your next meeting looking and sounding the way you expect.